In the morning, an orange kitten was lying on the roof, watching the peaceful and relaxing space. A flock of ducklings lost each other, chirping to attract attention. The cat was hesitant at first, but seeing the ducklings were so miserable, he decided to lead them away.
Do you see the mother of the ducks?
I don't see it, but you should try looking in the river. The ducks found the frog. The frog said that the mother ducks were still foraging in the field's grass.
The group comes to a field of bright flowers where mother duck is foraging. Mother duck called the cat back and thanked him profusely.
Always be willing to help each other because love is the most wonderful thing.